Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream. First, ensure your bowl and whisk are very cold. Chilling them for at least 15 minutes is ideal. This simple step significantly helps the cream whip up faster and achieve a stable, airy texture. You will only need a few common ingredients, making this a perfect recipe for beginners or anyone short on time. Let's get started on creating delicious, homemade cream in just a few easy steps. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, which is crucial for achieving the right consistency. For sweetness, prepare 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This dissolves smoothly. A half teaspoon of vanilla extract will add a lovely aroma and taste. Ensure you have a large mixing bowl, preferably chilled, and either a hand whisk or an electric mixer ready for action. These simple items are all you need. Now let's start the whipping process. Carefully pour your 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream into the chilled mixing bowl. If using an electric mixer, begin on a medium speed. For those using a hand whisk, maintain vigorous and consistent motions. You will notice the cream gradually starting to thicken and become frothy. Continue this process, keeping an eye on the texture, as we move towards achieving soft peaks. This initial stage is vital for building volume. Once your cream forms soft peaks, it's time to add the flavor. Gently incorporate the 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Increase your mixer speed to high or continue whisking vigorously by hand. Keep whipping until the cream forms stiff peaks that hold their shape firmly when you lift the whisk. Be careful not to overwhip, or it might turn grainy. Serve your freshly made cream immediately, or store it chilled for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.